Welcome back to a new video, guys, and today I'm gonna perform the monthly smoke alarm test for June. I have not done it yet, so let's see how it goes. Alright, 6 beeps. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna tell my mom and I'm gonna test the smoke alarms now real quick. Alright, now she knows I'm gonna test it. See, it will be 6 beeps. Hold on, record with. Alright, let's do it. That was it. Now, the one in the hall. Let's test it. Kommer det börja pipa? Now let's test my smoke alarms. Alright, now I'm gonna test my own smoke alarms. Starting with this one, 20 beeps. No, that's enough actually. Just so I don't risk pissing my mom off. Oh shit. But I'm also gonna show there's smoke alarm that I just piercing my ears. Right now, this our old smoke alarm. They used to sit in the hall. Oh shit, it wasn't on. See? Gosh, get up, get up. It's gonna make a short beep. Wait. And last but not least, this one. This is actually a smoke alarm. May not look so, but if you look in here, you can kind of see the metal disc that vibrates to make the noise. And under here, you can see that it's a smoke alarm. It also goes on code 3. Oh, there it came. Let's test it. See, it stops as soon as I let go of the tiny button here. Let's do it. I could feel like the vibration. I could feel like a tiny thud in it every time a new beat came. That was it. Bye.